On February 19th, 2024, a delegation representing the Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya convened a meeting with Meghalaya's Health Minister, Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh. The delegation, led by President Dr. Alistair Lyngdoh, presented a memorandum addressing two critical issues: the appointment of Ayush doctors and the establishment of a directorate of Ayush within the state. Following the meeting, Dr. Alistair Lyngdoh briefed the press on the proceedings. He expressed deep concern regarding the prolonged delay in appointing Ayush doctors, particularly when compared to the recent appointments of MBBS doctors. Dr. Lyngdoh revealed that the Health Minister cited the absence of service rules as the primary obstacle hindering the establishment of the Ayush Directorate. Additionally, he disclosed plans for further deliberations between the Health Minister, Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh, and Health Secretary Joram Beda before reconvening with the delegation on the 29th of February this year to address the concerns raised by practitioners of Ayush medicine.
Nakaliang jongka Ayush Medical Association jongka Meghalaya, how Dr. Alistair Lyngdoh, babat the President, badi Dr. Bad Pangstang, ibabat ya ka General Secretary, iwan kendo mentasngi Madam Ampreen, ban keli chapang ka kam kejam bantung ya ki Ayush doctor hak government, balik kalong delay, tak kajing delay katkum kajing tip, bayo lembaga department ki amba kamdan ka service rule, tak kajing keli jongka association menta kalong boleh hadu karne kisnam kiladon ki service hak government jong ki Ayush kamdan ka service rule. He don't come bahkan don ka service rule so that ka implementation jong ki post kan don but ka directorate kalaban bu hakmat mo kajing don kam manta ka central kala push ya ka state government bahkan kan set up ya ka directorate tambah nakadakadaw bam don ka service rule but ka defect ka service rule ka kata no ya ka formation jong ka directed but ka observation yang bon ki doctors ki blatre lupa taki khatsan sinem tam haka contractual tena bon ki Ayush doctors ki batre contractual hadu man takim padio kam kare nakane kada ngi kendoi Madam Ampreen tasngi khang ba in sngap ya ka jing sistem jong ki Ayush doctors pe kala kapos ban lad can have advertisement tikham advertise last time baki omba kamdan ka service rule. Recently there was an advertisement for MBBS doctors kabadan sapo propose but ke dentist kabadan nyopo sapos but yaki dentist kabadan propose te kalong no hataru kam haba yaki kalaban mi kapos balik ke Ayush doctors kami kan te ka jing jubab kawan ba kimdan ka service rule tena kata daw ni pan ka service rule ka way but kadon kam ba ka service rule kadon kam ro ban nam ta ka implementation jongka directorate kan Madam Ampreen ila klib niya ya kini ke ayu ya ka association wa balik ka kajia komne ti ong ni batas pang service rule ti ong in page ya ka ni ka benta in kren bad director jungi sa Joram Beda in kren bad ban ya penbet kumno ban ayu ini penbet lang maki pagini siyang ka meeting but ni ha kendai dan saya songlang baru Dr. Joram Beda mengi Dr. Ampreen mengi open bed ya ka service rule jongka Ayush doctors.